Transform your space with Nanoleaf's Matter Smart Multicolor Floor Lamp. It offers attractive ambient lighting with a sleek, modern look. You can have it display temperature-adjustable whites or any color you like with a plethora of lighting animations, all of which is customizable in the Nanoleaf app. Let's take a look at what's included in the package. In the box, you'll find 2 open-ended pole pieces, a pole piece with an end cap, the base of the lamp itself, a controller, a power supply unit, a silicone light strip, pole connectors, 1 magnetic screwdriver, and 12 screws. Let's get to assembly. To assemble the multicolor floor lamp, first insert an open-ended pole piece to the base's connector, making sure to align the holes. Go ahead and secure it in place with 2 screws. Next, insert a pole connector into the top of the previously installed pole. Align the holes in the pole and connector, then secure it in place with 2 screws. Take your next open-ended pole, insert it into the previously installed connector, and screw it in. Repeat these steps for the final pole piece with the capped end. Insert a connector. Secure the connector with screws. Insert the pole, and secure the pole with screws. Let's now install the silicone light strip. Begin by connecting the light strip wire to the base wire. Then, insert the silicone light strip into the bottom of the pole. Push the silicone light strip firmly into the base until the connector is fully concealed and no longer visible. Then, insert the top of the light strip into the top of the pole. Wrap your hand around the pole and firmly push the light strip into place using the ball of your palm. Then, do the same to the middle section. You should now be left with this wave-like shape. Push the remaining protruding sections into the pole until the light strip is fully secured. If it seems too long for the pole, rest assured that the light strip is soft and flexible and can easily compress. Don't be afraid to apply a good amount of firm pressure to squeeze the whole light strip into the pole until it's fully secured. Connect your controller and power supply to your floor lamp, plug it in, and you're done. Let's now go over the pairing process. Your floor lamp can connect to either Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for full control in the Nanoleaf app, or with Matter over Wi-Fi to work with the smart home ecosystem. Please note that pairing with Matter over Wi-Fi requires a Matter-compatible hub. To pair your floor lamp to the Nanoleaf app, ensure that your device is updated to its latest version, is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and that Bluetooth is enabled. On the Nanoleaf app, tap the icon in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard and tap on Add Device. From here, you have 2 options. You can either scan the QR code found on the back of the controller or in the Quick Start Guide, or you can manually enter in the pairing code found in the same locations. Your device is now paired. If pairing doesn't seem to work, try pressing the power button on the controller for 10 seconds until the floor lamp flashes red to reset the device and pair again. To pair with the smart home ecosystem, you need a Matter-compatible smart home hub. Ensure that your device is updated to its latest version, is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and that Bluetooth is enabled. Please note that pairing must be initiated within 15 minutes of the light being powered on. Disconnect and reconnect your lights from power to re-enable Matter pairing. When given the Add to an Ecosystem screen when initially pairing, tap on Connect. On iOS, you'll be automatically prompted to add to home. For Android devices, you will be shown a menu with 3 options. You can select a supported app for direct pairing and follow the setup flow in your chosen app. You can use a pairing code if the app you want to pair with is on the same device but doesn't show up on the list. You can also use a QR scan if the app you want to pair with is on a different device. Note that if you don't see the Add to Ecosystem screen when initially pairing, or you wish to do so at a later date, you can access this option again by navigating to your floor lamp settings in the Nanoleaf app and tapping Connect. You're now ready to enjoy premium ambient lighting with your new multicolor floor lamp.